Hello, I am Karim Khalid Noman, and this course Plaxis 2D and 3D. Chapter 3: Introduction to Shoring System. In big projects, the design will take from the office or company that are responsible of design 1 year or 10 months. In this duration, the site will work called enabling work. Enabling work, it's including shoring system, dewatering. In this duration, we are preparing the site to be able to make a construction on it. Enabling works includes demolition, buyback, okay, this and this. As a support, the system will be converted from free-fixed to fixed hinged. It will give me more stability. Sheet pile wall, the support system may be struts or tie back. If we use struts, I recommend to use circular pipe, because the circular pipe section is effective against buckling. System in general is very effective in high excavation. It's effective until 14 meter. The diaphragm wall with struts and tie back. As you look, this is tie back. Okay. The thickness of the wall depending on the depths. For example, system. You know the surcharge around the shoring system. If you want to design in correct way, you should know what is the surcharge around the excavation and how to calculate this. I had many cases. For example, case 1. If the shoring system beside building equal A, contact area equal by A square, then I get A. Then stress equal load per area, stress equal B by A square. For the safety, it's equal 1.6 cross sigma cross stress. Then put small surcharge. My second note: shoring system can be a part of main structure in permanent way. But in the condition, my first condition is the designer knowing that and makes his design to this and calculate the load that acting on the shoring system after it will be a part of main structure. My second condition is the system must be strong. For example, faced diaphragm wall, for example. Number 6, in case of secant pile and I want to make a retaining wall through. Number 8, we made a separate distance between timber structure and shoring system. Structure on timber structure directly.